foundation on because I am trying out the new Makeup Revolution foundation. So Huda Beauty recently came out with the Obsessions palette. Pretty sure you guys have been seeing this all around. I'm missing the blue one, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna be taking the Topaz Obsession. I mean, come on, this is definitely screaming fall pumpkin spice. Yes. So I'm gonna be taking this color first right here, putting that all over. Next, I'm gonna be taking the mustard color right here. I'm going to be taking this color right here. Next, I'm going to be taking this color right here. I'm going to focus this right below the orange. This is more of like a reddish tone, and I'm just going to focus it on the outer corner. Then we're gonna take this color right here. We're gonna go back in with this color right here and just kind of blending it into the gold. So this is what we have so far. I'm gonna go ahead and line the eyes now. All right, so I'm gonna be using the new Huda Beauty Overachiever concealers here. I'm gonna be using the shade Coconut Flakes for underneath the eyes. I honestly don't know if that's enough or not, but I'm gonna, oh yeah, wow. A little bit goes a long way. Crap. It's really full coverage, and like I said, a little goes a long way, so just be careful. All right, yes, so it is super full coverage. It makes my under eyes look super flawless. Loving it. So now I'm gonna be using the shade, where's that darker shade? I'm gonna be using the shade Butterscotch to contour a little bit. I just hope this is like the right color. Gonna do not too much. Put a little bit down here. And I like the applicator. As you can see right here, it's like a nice, I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's really nice and it just glides on your skin. So yeah, I love the applicator. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and blend this out. I like my quote-unquote contour to be on the warmer side. I don't like it too dark. I like it to look like a bronzer, you know, so this color is perfect. Again, it's Butterscotch. Wow, it blends so seamlessly. I love it. So for this part, make sure you just blend it back to your hairline. It's gonna look crazy right now. Since we're using a lot of Hudas today, I am gonna be using the Huda Beauty Setting Powder and Pound Cake. Take that right underneath the eyes to set my concealer. Looking really flawless, you guys. So you can definitely leave it like this because as you can see, the concealer is already peeking through. You already look super bronze. You look good. You can go like this if you want to, but knowing me, I'm extra. So I'm gonna be using my usual bronzer, and this is the L'Oreal True Match Blendable Powder in C8, and I'm just gonna take a little bit because, like I said, We already look pretty bronze and we don't need too much extra. Just a little bit, you know what I mean. It's gonna balance out the color of the neck. I'm gonna be using the Dosa colors. I Love Sarahi, Soulmate. Oh yes, baby. Can never go wrong with Soulmate, yes. And I'm gonna just take this color right here underneath. Take that on the lower lash. For my inner corner, I'm just gonna use a white shadow. And then for the lips, I'm gonna be using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cowboy.